Hello, my name is Ira. I like art class because I can decorate my classroom. We made animal lantern and my teacher said we can use anything we like.
My teachers and I believe that art serves as a powerful language for children to communicate their thoughts, ideas, feelings, creativity, and imagination. I'll challenge my teachers to think of innovative ways to use resources and materials to enrich the children's learning. Creative thinking often begins with asking questions. At our weekly staff meetings, teachers would share their inspiration behind the ideas, while others would build on this by asking questions. As a leader, I do my best to nurture a culture of sharing and learning.
I love Liza's willingness to reach out and her sincerity in listening. I remember a time when Liza wanted to create a special experience for her graduating K2 children, something that the children can always look back fondly and cherish the moments of their kindergarten years. She had many discussions with me and the teachers. She even talked to parents to get their input. It was a heartwarming event which we always will remember, including the children.
Thank you, Miss Liza. Bye-bye.